Go through a lot of situations every day where you feel frustrated, where you feel like somebody trying to try you. You might have an issue in your family. You might have an issue with your friends. You might have an issue at work. You might have an issue with your neighbor. You feel what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, the enemy comes to steal your joy, but God can restore your joy. You feel what I'm saying? Let me share this. Those who look for him for help will be radiant with joy. No shadow of shame will darken their faces. Taste and see that the Lord is good. Oh, the joys of those who take refuge in him. So it's crazy because I've always been like a real bright person, or, you know what I'm saying, real positive and stuff like that, real smiley and stuff like that. But even the enemy came within my family, or the enemy came within my life to try me, to attack me, to try to tear me down, to test me. You feel what I'm saying? You know, being surrounded by narcissists, toxic people, Jezebel people, crazy relationships, crazy friendships, crazy parents. You feel what I'm saying? Growing up in a narcissistic family system, or even being at work, the devil will come to test you in so many different ways. You feel what I'm saying? But it's crazy because I didn't align with God until I turned 25. So this whole time where I'm fighting this spiritual warfare with my own understanding, you feel what I'm saying? And the Bible says, do not lean on your own understanding, but I'm fighting it with my own understanding. I'm living my life with my own understanding, and it was terrible. It was painful. It was depressing. It was sad. I never felt fulfilled. I tried to fill it with other things, with hanging out with females, with, playing basketball, with music, making content, with getting cars. You feel what I'm saying? The list goes on. You feel what I'm saying? Money. The list goes on. But I was still not fulfilled. I was still not joyful enough. I was joyful, like I said, since I was little, but I didn't have the joy that I have now. That's why when I went through all of that and I separated from it, it hurt me, to be honest. It hurt me. I went down emotionally. I went down physically, financially. And then, as a lot of people seen, I became homeless. It's all in my book, Definition of Perseverance, which is on Amazon.com. You know what I'm saying? And I went down emotionally and in every aspect of my life, because it hurts to lose family. It hurts to lose friends or partners. You know what I'm saying? It hurts to lose people you truly care about and you realize they're not who you thought they were. But the enemy came in my life that was stealing my joy that whole time. And he truly wanted to steal my joy. And he wanted to defeat me. The enemy wanted to defeat me. Had me down, homeless, had me losing everything. But God was like, if you connect to me, I promise you, you will stand up stronger than you ever did when you was with that family. You will stand up stronger than you ever did when you was hanging out with those friends. You will stand up stronger than you ever did when you felt like you had to fill those voids with music, basketball, content, anything. You feel what I'm saying? He said, I'm going to make you so strong, and you're going to realize that you had that strength within you the whole time. You just had to connect with me. So if anybody, you feeling low, you feeling down, you feeling like you need to fill a void, you feeling like you need to, you know what I'm saying, somehow become more joyful, realize that it's all part of the plan, that the devil, the enemy, is here to steal your joy, but God can restore your joy. You just got to connect with him and continue to push forward. It's your boy Josh Different. I'm different, you different, we different, I'm out.